fight this shit.
Level 30 currently.
Yeah, cutthroat there. Can you like bomb them and everything? They fucking bunch of shitters, man.
Careful, red going. There's a.
But we focus on PLAC. We focus on PLAC. Careful. Where are they? Where are they? Yeah, listen, I need more ballistas to come. Can somebody ping in the guild? I need more ballistas to come. Where's Fakol? Is triple calling or Fakol? It's Lois calling. Shaper. It's Lois calling. Yo, food up. Sankai is their bomb squad caller, okay? They have a range bomb, I guess. Yeah, listen, get ready. I'ma wait for my bombs. Wait, I'll be good, eh? Yeah, listen, this isn't... Fakol's also here, Fakol's also here. Yeah, I see Fakol. Yeah, everyone OC. Yeah, everyone get ready. Everyone southeast headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast headbutt. Listen, come back. Careful over the wall. Come back. Come back. Spread. Careful front line, boys.
Shaper southeast.
Shaper south. They have a melee bomb.
Shaper coming.
Yo, careful. Everyone southeast headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Yeah, come back. Yeah, I really need exalted here. Okay. Yo, careful front line. Hold on me. Everyone careful over the wall, okay? Wait, heal up. Yeah, my bombs just keep engaging, okay? Careful front line, they have bomb squad also. Sankai is here on the west side. Yo, they're looking. Ready defense.
Shaper stacking south.
Shaper engaging.
Don't AFK.
East side, get ready, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Ay, come back. Heal up. Yo, careful over the walls, guys. Yeah, Gerald. Hold on. Yo, get ready. Headbutt, get ready. Wait. Headbutt now. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt now. I need healing hoods front line, please. Over the wall. Can you guys like fucking just drop your healing hoods sa wall
Shaper
mismo?
stacking again.
Yeah, shaper stacking. Can you guys just stick to the wall when I'm engaging this? Drop the healing hood over the wall, man. Just pray to God that it fucking reaches, you know. How big are they now? Seem bigger. 31.
31.
We are 32. Okay. Yo, listen, I need one bomb to engage with me. I think right now DPS is not enough. You already help my bomb front line. Hold on. Yo, listen, step up. We're faking southeast. Step up. Fake southeast. Faking southeast. Everyone, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Come back. Heal up.
Apat naman pala
They're
yung guard
headbutting-
natin.
they're
What
headbutting
if
now, ah.
pumalit na lang yung bedrock sa ano? Kasi tatlo naman yung out, isang bedrock. Hello, rinig ba ako? What if,
Oh, careful,
kasi di ba ang usapan is incubus ang papalit sa isang out pag wala ang out. Since wala rin tayong incubus, may incubus ba tayo?
Yeah, this gate's about to break, supposedly, okay? Ready, healing hood in front line. Yeah, look at front line,
ganun na
shallow,
lang.
get ready. On top of me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top me. Nice one. Now come back. Yeah, ready. Defend shallow. Tanks hold them. They have engaged. Wait. Do not step out. Yo, listen, we kill shallow. Okay, we should kill shallow. Just wait.
They
Yo,
always
listen, spread. Boys, spread. Yo, DPS, make sure you miss Walker Jacket, okay? We're gonna counter inside, okay? Just ready all the healing hoods. I want all the healing hoods to fucking, ano. Careful over the wall southeast side. Okay? Yo, bombs engaging. Help my bomb come back. Wait. Listen, just hold, okay? Yo, Fakal stepping up now, okay? Just wait.
Bomb
They
loading
always
south.
shaper
Bomb looking shaper, west side, careful. Do not stick to the wall, okay? Hold on.
Yeah,
We play.
two shapers.
Listen. We play patiently, okay? Yo, listen. After this wall breaks, they might step in, okay? So make sure you guys just Miss Walker Jacket, ready defenses. Spread, okay? Spread. You're ready. Ready help my bomb, okay? Ready help my bomb. Just wait.
All right,
Hold on,
bomb south side. Shaper.
Yeah. Okay. Just wait. Heal up.
They're moving south.
Where they going? Yeah, don't get pulled. Yo, fuck all looking, okay? Ready, Miss Walker Jackets. Yeah. Careful front line. Yo, tanks, get ready to hold that choke, okay? Just wait, boys, just wait. Sangkay looking, okay? You ready defenses up front?
Ilang
percent
percent
of
ang noon?
I don't know. I don't have a hammer, I don't see it. Scavenger can... Yo, careful, okay? Sangkay looking deep, ah. What is Fakol saying? Or is something...
Yung all right down, in-hit sila eh. Yun.
Yeah, ready. Sangkay looking deep, Get ready to headbutt, okay? Headbutt 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt southeast. Yo, listen, come back. Yo, listen, come back. Tanks hold them. Yo, 20 seconds, okay? Yo, careful front line. Ready, Miss Walker Jackets. Make sure when you miss Walker Jacket, you walk in and you spread inside of them
Polarized
so
bombs
you can
outside.
counter. Yeah, watch that. Careful front line. Yeah, close that door. Careful front line. Close that door. Yo, listen, ready your jacket, okay? Fakul gonna look. Ready your jacket, okay? Just wait, boys, just wait. Yeah, listen. Look at the choke shallow, southeast, okay? East side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Now listen. Pull back, okay? Pull back and spread. Just hold. You can close the door. They need more ballistas to come, please. Okay, yo, careful now, okay? They have bigger space now to walk in, okay? Ready your Miss Walker Jackets. Listen, DPS, ready your Miss Walker Jacket to walk in, okay? Yo, bombs, just counter. Okay, just counter. I'm gonna walk in and just counter for me, okay? Yo, careful. Ready your jackets. They're looking, okay? They're looking. Just wait. Hold on. Yo, listen, Marika, spread more. You two clump top. Spread more. Yo, ready, help my bomb, okay? Yo, listen, jacket in. Okay, DP side on the crown. 5,
Bomb inside.
3, 2, 1. DP side on the crown.
Gear back lang
Now come back inside. They don't have CD yet. Come back inside. Yeah, this is why I'm telling you this spread, right? The people that got engaged on first. Yo, careful, defend shallow. Heal front. Yo, come, step up. Yo, we have engaged 5 seconds, okay? Careful. Yo, spread inside of them. Marlika, look at me. Get ready. On top of me, okay? Ready. East side, get ready. East side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side middle. Come back inside. You spread. Come back inside. Come back inside. Defend on the choke. Heal up.
Huh?
Come back inside. Yo, guardians front line, please. Come back inside. Yo, the MC bomb squad, can you join me? Where's the MC bomb squad? Okay. Yeah. Just hold. Heal up. Rigger fast. Yo, Kaba. Engage with me. We do one, okay? I engage with you first. You try to hold them. Yo, Shaper, okay? Get ready. Kaba, tell me when you're engaging. Yo, Malika, get ready. Heal up. East over the wall, get ready, Malika. East over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east over the wall. Listen, come back. Careful front line. Yo, they have sneak bomb squad. And they have
SC coming.
Shaper coming east side. Good. Heal up. Yeah, they on the south side. No, they split up. Yeah, careful front line na gate. Look at the gate shallow. On the gate shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate shallow. Yo, full defense front line. Help front line. Come back. Careful.
Reaper is side stacking.
SC coming.
Yo, Shaper coming. Spread. Listen, there's no more crystal. Everybody outside, be careful. Everybody outside, be careful, okay? Be at the northwest side. We play mage. Yeah.
Shaper's outside.
Yo, look at the gate. On the gate, everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Okay, come back. DPS need more of you guys to hit, okay? Should have a lot of DPS. Ready, help the bomb. Careful front line. Careful east side.
Reaper is side.
Everyone listen, get ready. Okay, wait.
Reaper side stacking.
Yo, can I get this gate open? Yo, get ready. Look at southeast outside the gate, okay? Wait. Shaper gonna come. Shaper. Get ready. Southeast outside the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast outside the gate. Outside the gate. Okay? Now come back fast. Yo, listen, hold them. Come back fast, okay? Yo, listen, spread northwest side. Nice bomb there. Spread northwest side. Yo, Shaper west side. Heal up west side. Careful, okay? Get ready to engage. Shallow. Just wait.
Yung
no.
sneak, yung ano mo yan, milibang.
Yeah. Sneak is on melee bomb, so be careful and watch that. I need that tank watching that. 2 tanks. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Yo, come back. Fakal gonna step up, okay? Come back. Careful. Come west side more, okay?
Rise dismounted.
Come northwest side more. Let them engage past the choke.
Rise
Okay?
stacking. Shaper southeast.
Yo, Shaper stacking southeast.
Coming.
Careful. Shaper stacking. Okay, good stuff. Yo, Malika, look at east shallow. Get ready. East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow. On the tanks. Tanks only. Yo, come back northwest.
SC coming.
Yo, careful southeast, okay? Spread northwest side, guys. Yo, help my bomb, come back. Help my bomb. Demon the front, demon the gate. Yo, careful. Hold the choke. Spread, boys. Spread. Yo, sneak coming in. Spread. Listen, potion inside. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside on me. Everything on me. Now listen, spread. Potion clear. Come northwest, okay? Good engage side. Come northwest. Heal up. Heal up only northwest, boys. Okay? Yo, hold them tanks. Hold them southeast. Yo, spread. Shaper. Heal up. Everyone, get ready. 4 seconds. Yo, heal unit setup. Get ready. Southeast. Get ready. South. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Headbutt. Now spread. Tanks hold them. Spread. Tanks hold them. Yo, heal. Where's the heals? Okay? Heal up fast. The heals are getting too slow. Can I get heals, man? Yeah, listen now. Control them from passing that choke. They're gonna keep engaging on the mage. Yo, listen, Kaba. Just counter when they engage on the mage. Hold on, hold on. Careful front end. Yo, fuck looking. Step. Come back. Hold on. Yo, DPS, need you guys to sync up more. Okay. Sync up more. SM, be ready, okay? Be ready. Look at... Wait. Kaba, you can hit first, you can hit first. I'm gonna counter. Get ready to counter engage, Get ready to headbutt, okay? Tanks, get ready to hold them in. Defend shallow northwest. Careful, you guys, you're too clumped up, man. Why are you guys getting clumped like that? Yo, listen. Shallow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast now. Ay, yo, come back. Come back and spread northwest. Yo, where's sneak bomb squad? Can't see it. Yo, Kaba, you're too deep, nigga. Yo, help Kaba, help my bomb come back. Help my bomb come back on the choke. Yo, tanks, hold them. Just heal up, okay? Just wait. Heal up only. Get ready to counter, Wait only. Heal up. Yo, listen. DPS, on me only. On the crown only. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Come back. DPS is not deleting for some reason. We have a lot not deleting. Spread northwest. Help my bomb. They're countering on my bomb. Spread northwest. Yo, fuck all stepping up. Yo, careful. Shaper. Everyone, get ready. On fuck ball. 5. Wait. Come back. Wait. Shallow. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Listen. Come back and spread northwest. Where's the mage? Mage's front, I know.
Reaper northeast.
Yeah, listen. Spread northwest. Careful. Heal up. Shaper stacking. Yo, kill the tanks. Can we kidnap the tanks? Yo, gloves. Can we kidnap the tanks? Yo, Marlika, get ready. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow now. Now everybody come back. Come back and spread northwest. Guardians, be more reactive, please.
Careful,
Save
Rigel.
them.
Yeah, everyone get ready. Oh.
Save Shaper.
Yo, look at inside, the tanks inside. Can we kill the tanks inside? Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside. Come back. They're stepping up. Come back. Ready defense. Spread. Full defend now inside. Full defend inside and spread. Spread. Get out of middle. Careful. 13 seconds. Just hold. Yo, fuck all stepping up again. Careful west side. Look at southeast. Get ready. Wait. Everyone. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Everyone come back. Heal up and come back. Yo, listen. Spread. They're walking. Defend west side. Full defend. Nice clerics. Nice heals. Hey, yo, listen. Their bomb's gonna come soon, okay? Careful. Spread. Heal up only. Nobody died there. Yo, spread more. Tell me if you have potions, okay? Use potion for defensive for next engage, okay?
Careful, south side. May milibomb din sa pag...
Yo, friendly PH, you should be using snare charge on that, not Everyone, get ready. Wait. Boys, wait. Step up a bit. We're faking only. Step up a bit. Oh, no. Get ready. Yeah, listen, look at me. East side wall. DPS, east side wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side wall now. Now full defense also. Demons inside. Now come back northwest. Heal up fast, okay?
Bomb
Yo,
south.
careful west side. Heal up west side. Careful west side. Yo, just one tank watch that choke there. Everyone, get ready. Wait, hold. Focus stepping up. DPS. Miss Walker, jacket. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Come back, Hinilab. Yo, can we kidnap the low people inside? Kidnap the low people inside. Yo, listen, spread. Bomb coming in, defend now. Oh. Somebody call it out. Do I have to do everything? Thanks, man. Somebody call it out. Spread, guys. Potions, man. Come on, they're looking. You're still clumped up. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Nice. I'm fucking deleting more with fucking lesser people. Spread. Bomb coming in. Defend. Stop looting. Please. Heal up. Yo, Rigger first. Wrap around. You're careful. Ready defenses up front. Yo, careful shallow. Everyone southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. I come back. Yo, sneak bomb coming in. Careful. Spread. Spread northwest. Yo, guys, spread. Yo, the people in the HO, make sure you guys spread around that. Careful front line.
Si DJ Gankar.
Yeah, just fucking wrap around. Yo, southeast 5, headbutt 4, 3, 2, 1, headbutt southeast now. Yo, watch the east side. There's a bomb squad inside. Defend shallow, defend inside. Okay, heal up, and come west. Yo, kidnap those guys. Can I get a tank watching that? Itong control. It's the east side. Don't let that bomb get free engages, man. You spread northwest. Everyone, listen. Headbutt. Wait. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Now come back. Listen, full defend. Give me full defend inside, okay? Yo, listen. Heal front line. Engage there was good, but it could have been better, okay? Need much better there. Need much better engage there. They don't have defenses, okay? Careful west side. Fuckle stepping up west side. Careful west side. Everyone, Marlica, get ready. Ready your jackets, okay? We're gonna engage east side. Get ready. Wait. Fuckle looking. Spread inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Come back. Heal up. Sneak coming. Heal up. Yo, sneak inside the Zerka.
Syndra. Hell this. I don't know. Other than Maya.
Yo, get ready, boys. Okay, wait. Marlica, shallow on me, okay? Everyone on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Spread it. Fuckle looking. Careful east side. Heal east side. Kill my east side, okay? Yo, sneak is east side, okay? Sneak is east side. Sneak is stepping up. Yeah, I wanna counter and sneak first, okay? Careful on fucker. Yo, listen. Ready defend. Full defend. Spread. Listen, ready your potion. Wait, boys. Wait. Just wait. Hold on. Hold on. Get ready your potions, boys. Ready your potions. Okay, wait. Fuckle looking. Go. Yo, Marlica. Yo, some bracers, can you guys kidnap? Ready defenses. Inside. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. More damage coming in. Yo, more healing nudes. Yo, I need healing nudes on the backline of enemy. Yo, sneak coming in. Potion. Heal up. Yo, listen, Marlica, can you guys spread instantly?